welcome to D93 News. The ribbon cuttings continue in D93 as the district puts good use to the funds from HB 521.
Last week we held a ribbon cutting at Falls Valley. Tonight we are at Bonneville High School. The improvements at Bonneville include parking lot lights, HVAC upgrades, 2 new classrooms, new flooring in the commons and hallways, a new track in the upper gym, and a new roof with skylights.
We appreciate the money. It's made so we can do things that otherwise wouldn't have been possible in our school. Our school is older, and we've been able to make a lot of renovations that have been very beneficial for students and help them take pride in their school.
The ribbon cutting is scheduled for 5:30 tonight, and the public is welcome to attend.
A D93 husband and wife team have teamed up to bring delicious lemonade to events all around the area. We caught up with the owners before the Civil War.
I'm the head custodian at Rocky Mountain Middle School.
Awesome.
And my wife, she's the head custodian over at Black Canyon.
Wow.
Candace, yeah.
And then you have a pretty cool side project here. Side
Yeah,
hustle.
we started it this summer with the kids, kind of a way to keep everybody together and do stuff as a family. And we decided making lemonade, having a good time with it.
What's your specialty? What's the one thing people have to do?
So my wife she's the mix master. She comes up with all the recipes. Probably our most popular one is called the Poppin' Colada.
Okay.
And it's like the pina colada flavors, but it's got some popping boba and some fun stuff in it.
Cool stuff right there. Special board meeting tonight at Rocky Mountain, Sam.
Yes, tonight we're having it at Rocky Mountain because we're having the Hillcrest Band who performed at the Washington, D.C. parade over the summer, the 4th of July parade that is, and they're going to come and tell us about their experience.
Looking forward to that. Well, that's going to do it for us.
We'll see you next time on D93 News.